Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 5, and we're starting our journey into loops. In this video, we'll cover while loops, loop control statements like break and continue, and some practical examples. Ready to get loopy? Let's jump in. Let's start with the basics. What are loops? Loops allow you to repeat a block of code multiple times. Instead of writing the same code over and over again, you can use a loop to execute a block of code as many times as needed. This makes your code more efficient and easier to manage. In Python, we have two main types of loops, while loops and for loops. Today, we're focusing on while loops. Let's dive in. Using while loops. A while loop lets you repeat a block of code as long as a condition is true. Here's a simple example. In this example, the loop runs as long as count is less than 5. Each time the loop runs, count is incremented by 1. Now, let's talk about loop control statements, break and continue. These statements give you more control over your loops. The break statement exits the loop when a certain condition is met. Here, the loop stops when count equals 5. The continue statement skips the rest of the code inside the loop for the current iteration and moves to the next iteration. In this example, only odd numbers are printed because continue skips the even numbers. Now, let's look at some practical examples of using while loops. Here's an example of a simple guessing game. This guessing game continues to prompt the user until they guess the correct number. It uses while, if, elif, and else to provide feedback on the guesses. Another example is summing numbers. Here, the loop continues to sum the numbers until the user enters 0. And there you have it, folks, an introduction to while loops in Python, along with break and continue statements. Keep practicing these concepts, and you'll be a loop master in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 6. Keep coding.